Evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 4th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Okay, the first one, the 3 stars Sudoku. This will be a number 7736 double 736. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. 27 printed digits. This one, yeah, 27 printed digits. It should be a 1 star because usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25, so 2 digits more. But it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. For 27 should be a 1 star, and for 1 star I need to be faster than 50 minutes. So is this a 1 star puzzle or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Well, in this column we have here 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 7 goes and there. Alright. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 and a 7 in this row, so no 6 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 6 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, and now then 3. Need a 2 here. Need a 7 and 8 and then 9. Okay. So need a 7 here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column only place level 6 should be there. Alright. 6 here. The 1 here. 5 here. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 place left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so the third row. Only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 5, 5. 5, 5. Okay, cannot continue with the 5 now. We have a pair, the 5 and 8 in the last row, the 5 and 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this row for the rest of the 1. 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Need a 1 here. Need a 9 here. Okay. Well. Need a 1 here. 3. Need a 1 here. Need a 4 here. Alright. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this last column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here 3 in the third row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in the third row. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, only place level 3 should be there. 189, 189, 188, 89. Okay. 8, 9, and 7. The 1 here. Come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. 4, 189, 189. 5, 8. 3 and a 4. 3. Well, in this column, the third column, we need a 3. Here can be 3, we have 3 in this row, so no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. So the only place level 3 in this column, third column, should be there. And we have a pair, I believe, the 3 and a 7 in the third column. The 3 and a 7 in the first column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 place level 3 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 6 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. 2, 2, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, and look, we have a 1 and a 2 in this column. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. 1 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes appear. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row. Last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. So 5 and 8 are left in this column. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. Alright. Now, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have a 1 and 8 in the first column, so no 1 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there, so 1 digit left in the first column for the 1. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing. Alright. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. 2, 9, 4. Okay. Let me see. Need an 8 here. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need a 9. And I need a 7 here in this big square. Yeah. I need a 7 in this big square. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this big square from us, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 or 9, 8 or 9, 8 or 9. We have 8 in the second row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. 8, need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need a 1 here. Need a 3 here. Yeah, 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row above. Only 2 places left. 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. Need a 6 here. Yeah. 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 to 9, 2 to 9. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. So the 6 and the 7 are missing here. 6 and 7, okay. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next on the last column. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, 2, and then 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Cannot feel this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Need a 7 here. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Well. 2. Yeah. How about the 4? 1, 4, and a 6. Need a 6 there. Of the 3s here. Okay. 2, 4, 9. Come on. Need a 7 here. 8 there. Must be a hidden number. Must be a hidden number here. I think this box. Need a 9 here. Yeah, need a 9. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Could be 7, 6, 7, 8. Need a 9 here. No 9 here. Right here. Need an 8. Right here then. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4 here. We have all the 5s, 3s. Need a 1 here. Need a 6 there. I'm stuck. 4, 6. 3, 6, 7. 3. Oh, 3 missing numbers. In this row, those missing numbers are the 1. The 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. Well, we have a 7 in this column. And a 3 in this column. So the 3 and the 7 goes together as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for number 6. 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. Well. And we have a 6 in this column, 6 in a column, 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only two place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6, okay. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 9 in the last column. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 9. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be here. 3 and a 7, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes in there. The 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place level 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing, 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be in, a 4 goes there, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left, the 4 should be there. 1 in the 4, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there, finish in 16 minutes. Wow! Talk too much in the beginning, otherwise it will be faster than 50 minutes. So is this really a 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. So I'm not pleased with the time, but we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.